Looking for a new place to live this year? There's no need to look any further. Welcome to 901 Western. 901 Western is an amazing student community featuring 1, 2, 3, and 4-bedroom apartments located right next to the U of I's engineering campus. Taking up an entire city block, this location sets a new standard in student living, and we're certain that you'll appreciate everything that 901 Western Apartments has to offer. Come on, let's take a look. This fitness center is just steps away from your front door. Every piece of cardio equipment has its own TV, so you can keep up with your favorite shows while staying in shape. Also included in the private fitness center is an awesome free weight station. How convenient is that? Additionally, 901 Western has this wonderful outdoor space where you can challenge friends to a game of table tennis or host a cookout with the included barbecue grills and picnic tables. This courtyard is the perfect place to enjoy the outdoors. 901 Western has a number of modern floor plans to fit your budget as well as your lifestyle. This 2-bedroom apartment is a spacious unit with great natural lighting and comfortable furnishings. In the kitchen, you'll notice upgraded appliances and beautiful tile backsplash. The tall cabinets provide ample storage space for all of your daily needs. Even in the 1-bedroom floor plans, you have plenty of counter space for cooking with and entertaining friends. Each unit offers its own private balcony and a 43-inch LED flat-screen TV in the living room. If you're looking for a fully furnished apartment, 901 Western has definitely thought of everything. Each unit comes equipped with modern furniture. Cable and gigabit internet are already provided, including a high-speed wireless router that provides speeds you have not seen before in a student apartment. You will notice great lighting and comfortable furnishing in the bedroom as well, which will give you a great place to relax and study. Many of the floor plans at 901 Western feature individual bathrooms like this one. When we say that these units are fully furnished, that means that we have the laundry covered as well. Even the 1-bedrooms have their own personal high-efficiency washer and dryer. If you are bringing a vehicle to campus, parking on site is easy in our enclosed garage. Having your own space in the garage will really come in handy during the winter months. If you aren't bringing a car, there are tons of bike racks inside the garage, which will keep your bike secure and out of the elements. Aside from what 901 Western has to offer on the inside, the property is steps away from Green Street and a short walk to both the engineering campus and the main quad at U of I. As you can see, 901 Western crosses off all the boxes on your wish list with a great location, a private secured parking garage, fully furnished units, 43-inch LED TVs, access-controlled entry, and private balconies. Remember, spots are limited and filling quickly, so call us or stop by today to reserve your space at 901 Western Apartments.